In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save DocFly PDF. By the end, you'll know how to upload a PDF to DocFly, make your changes, save your work, and download a clean copy to your computer. Start by opening your web browser and going to the DocFly website. The homepage is simple and focused on PDFs, so you should see an option to upload your file right away. Click the button that says Upload Your File. This opens your computer's file picker. Browse to the PDF you want to work on, select it, and confirm. Give it a moment to upload. Larger files can take a bit longer depending on your internet connection. Once your PDF loads in the editor, you're ready to make the necessary edits. DocFly provides tools to add or edit text, insert images, highlight or underline, and even white out parts of the document. You can also rearrange or delete pages and fill out form fields if the PDF is interactive. Take your time here and make all the adjustments you need. A helpful tip is to zoom in when editing fine details and to use undo if you make a mistake. Before moving on, scroll through the pages to double check for typos, alignment, and consistency. When your edits look good, click Save. Saving ensures your changes are committed to the version stored in your DocFly workspace. Think of Save as keeping your progress within DocFly so you can come back later if needed. It's a good idea to save periodically, especially after larger edits, so nothing gets lost. If you want a copy on your computer, use the Export option. Export prepares a downloadable file with your latest changes. In most cases, you'll be exporting to PDF, so it preserves formatting and is easy to share or print. After clicking Export, you'll see the option to download. Go ahead and click Download to start saving the file to your device. Your browser may ask where to save the file, or it may place it in your default Downloads folder. If you need to keep versions organized, consider renaming the file to include a date or a brief description of the edits. Once the download completes, open the file from your Downloads folder and quickly review it to confirm the edits appear exactly as expected. That's it. You uploaded your PDF, edited it, saved your changes in DocFly, and exported a downloadable copy. If you plan to keep working on the document, remember you can return to the saved version in your workspace and repeat the export whenever you're ready.